In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when there's no sound coming through your TV on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings in the top right corner. Then we're going to scroll down and select sound, and we're going to go to audio output. Now you want to ensure the output device is on HDMI device TV or otherwise you wouldn't hear it. Now for switch output device automatically, I recommend you leave that turned on. And for HDMI device type, make sure this is on TV or AV amplifier or soundbar, depending on your setup. Now, if we go back, another thing that can mess people up is if we scroll down to the bottom, if your home screen music and sound effects have been turned off by somebody, it may give the appearance that your sound isn't working. So in this case, I recommend you turn these on to see if it is. And if not, let's go to the next step. So, assuming that wasn't the problem, if you're playing a specific game, I recommend you go to the settings and see if the volume's turned up there as well. And if all else fails, ensure the volume on your TV is turned up, and you could also try switching out the HDMI cable on your PS5. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.